Covariate in statistics. What are covariates? In statistics, a covariate, also known as a continuous independent variable or predictor, is a variable that is used to explain or predict variations in the dependent variable. The term covariate itself suggests a variable that covaries with another. In simple terms, covariates are associated with or related to the variable you are trying to study or predict. A covariate is a variable that is not the primary focus of an experiment but can have an impact on the dependent variable and the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. Covariates are not the main variables of interest in a study but are used to account for variations in the dependent variable, thus improving the precision of statistical models. The covariate is not a planned variable, but it frequently appears in experiments as a result of the underlying experimental conditions. To improve the statistical model's accuracy and decrease its unexplained variation, covariates should be identified and examined. As a result, another name for the covariate is a control variable. In statistics, a covariate can be thought of as an independent variable that complements or is associated with a dependent variable. Any measurable variable that exhibits a statistical relationship with a dependent variable qualifies as a covariate. A covariate is a potential explanatory or predictive variable for a dependent variable. It serves the purpose of helping to explain or predict variations in the dependent variable. Example of covariates. Let's consider a practical example. A study examining the impact of a new teaching method on student performance. In this case, the independent variable is a teaching method, for example, traditional versus innovative. The dependent variable is a student performance, for example, test scores. A covariate could be the student's prior academic achievements, such as their grades in the previous semester. Uses of covariates. Number 1. Control for confounding variables. Covariates are often used to control for the influence of extraneous or confounding variables. These are variables that are not the focus of the study but could affect the relationship between the independent and dependent variables. By including covariates in the analysis, researchers can statistically control for these confounding variables, ensuring that the observed effects are more accurately attributed to the independent variable of interest. Number 2. Enhance model precision. Covariates can improve the precision and accuracy of statistical models. By including relevant covariates, researchers can account for additional sources of variation in the dependent variable, reducing the error in the model. This, in turn, increases the reliability and predictive power of the model. Number 3. Address heterogeneity. In research, it is common for participants or subjects to vary in characteristics that might influence the dependent variable. Covariates can help address this heterogeneity by accounting for individual differences and ensuring that the results are not driven by factors other than the independent variable. Number 4. Establish causality. Covariates can help strengthen the argument for causal relationship in observational studies. By including covariates, researchers can address potential alternative explanations and establish more robust causal links between variables. Use of covariates in research. Covariates in research can be classified into two main types: independent variable and confounding variables. Independent variables are the variables directly under investigation in a study. Confounding variables are those covariates that are not initially considered by the researcher but can introduce bias into the results. Researchers can address and minimize the influence of confounding variables through careful study design, particularly by using randomization techniques. Randomizing the assignment of study participants helps distribute potential confounding variables evenly across comparison groups, reducing their impact on the study's outcome. When to include a covariate. The decision to include a covariate in your experimental data analysis should be based on specific criteria. A priori specification. covariates should be specified a priori, ideally in a pre-analysis plan. This means selecting covariates before conducting the experiment, helping prevent type 1 error inflation, false positive conclusions, and retaining the power-enhancing benefits of covariates. Theoretical driven selection. Your choice of covariates should be theoretically driven, guided by prior research on the subject you are studying. This becomes especially important in non-experimental designs where random assignment isn't possible to mitigate covariate effects. Importance of covariates. Identifying important covariates is important to prevent misleading results and error conclusions. However, including too many covariates can decrease the power of data analysis in detecting significant association between predictor variables and the outcome variable. Conclusion. Covariates in statistical analysis help researchers control for confounding variables, enhance the precision of their models, address heterogeneity, and strengthen arguments for causality. Understanding and appropriately using covariates is important for robust and reliable research in various fields, including medicine, social sciences, and data analysis. The inclusion of covariates in statistical models is a valuable practice for anyone seeking accurate and meaningful results in their research. Thank you for watching this video.